This video is designed to show a live alert, including the control room software, the client's app, the Guards app, and the second Guards app. The first thing I'm going to do is set off an alert on the client's phone now. So you can see the first guard has received the alert, you can see where the client is, and will now take the emergency. Also, on the control room screen, we're being asked to take the emergency, which I'll do so now. So what we can see is we've got the client's position here. We've also got the guard that's been assigned to the incident's position here. The client can see their position on a map, and they can also type in a message. And as you can see, the guard received that message immediately, as did the control room just here. What the client can also do is they can, by tapping on the face of the guard, they can see who's actually coming to get them. They can see their name, their telephone number, and also a photograph, so they know who they're looking for. The guard can also do the same on his phone, and he gets a lot more information. In a previous video, you will have seen that I manually assigned a guard to an alert. A great feature we have here is that a guard can actually call backup to an incident if they need it. And as you can see, the next guard has received the alert and will now take the emergency. So what we can do now is, if we look at the second guard's phone and we zoom out, we can see we have 3 pins on there, as we do on the first one. There are 2 little buttons on each side of the map here. We can use this one to center onto the guard's location, and we can use this one to center onto the client's location. Another great feature we have in here is that we can use satellite view, and we can also use street view. And there you can see is the pin showing the location of our client. We still have the chat feature as noticed before. We also have private chat, which I'll type a message in here. And what happens with private chat is it is only seen by the guards. It's never seen by the client, which means that if you wanted to send a message without the client's knowledge, then you can do so. Another feature we have in here is if we click on guards, we can see all the guards we have on our system that are either unavailable, available, or assigned to an incident. So we have Tom Granger guard assigned and Nick Southern assigned. We also have logs. The logs show all information for anything that's gone through our system. So as we see here, the last one that went through was guard Nick Southern accepted, all the way down through all the other incidents that we've been doing recently. And then this tab takes us back to the incidents. We can see a number of incidents here if they're all in progress, but at the moment we just have the one. To close the incident, we go through the same process as before. We can actually click situation over on the client's phone, confirm. It's worth noting here that now, to all intents, the client's phone looks as though the incident is actually closed, but it's still going on in the background, so if anyone were to have their phone stolen and someone closed it, we can still track them. The first guard will now also agree to close, and then so will the final one. And what that does on the control room screen is we've got client shown as closed, both guards are shown as closed here and here, and it's just asking for the assigned operator to close by saying waiting to close. So we click on close, and the incident is over.